Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here is we take a look at a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. We take a look at the label. We read everything on the label. We take a look at the artwork. We see what they're trying to sell us. We crack it open and see if it meets expectations. Okay, first of all, we do things a little different here. All of our beers are tasted in the same glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. Also, most people, when they do tastings, they will take a look, they will sniff, sip, and let you know what they think. Well, I sip first. Why? I'll let wine expert Fred Dax explain it all to you. He does it a lot better than I can. Also, all beers should be served at the correct temperature. Lagers 37 to 47 degrees Fahrenheit and ales 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The good folks at ThermoWorks sent me one of their lollipop thermometers that I use to test the temperature of all of the beers we taste here. All right, what have we got? Today, it's kind of a little teaser there. You had that, take a look. This is from the Other Half Brewing Company. And they are in, let's see, Washington, D.C., they say. Okay, Other Half. Well, all right, Other Half, Washington, D.C. I seem to think the Other Half is here in Brooklyn, but it says Washington, D.C., so they might be subcontracting. I have no idea. I will have to look it up in the description box. All right, anyways, back on track. This is called the Tomato Factory, which is why it is red. And now I am going to read it. It is a double dry hopped Imperial India Pale Ale. And it says, it's a Surgeon General warns me not to operate heavy machinery or be a pregnant woman. I am neither. Okay, what do we got here? 8.5% alcohol by volume. We have Citra, Victoria's Secret, Riwaka, and Sabro hops. So it's a real combination of hops. The Citra I'm very familiar with. That's a lemony type of a thing. Victoria's Secret, I'm not too sure of, well, weird name for a hop. Alcohol by volume 8.5, and it says an Imperial IPA brewed with a hand-selected blend of hops, giving notes of creamy tropical fruit, dank passion fruit, and guava. A tribute to the original factory housed in our DC brewery. Aha, okay. So the original brewery was in DC. All right, what am I expecting? Well, it's disconcerting to have this named Tomato Factory, but okay. Double dry hopped Imperial India Pale Ale. Okay, I'm a full-bodied, and I mean I'm talking full-bodied, particularly since this is 8.5% alcohol by volume. It's a buxom beer, dark brown. It's got hops up the nose and in the taste buds. That's what I'm looking for. An emphatic, real, kick you in the head IPA. Let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Well, it's a little cloudy. Well, all right, here we go into the, might be Washington, D.C., but it looks like a New England or Northeast brand style of beer. Oh, yeah. That's a smoothie, all right. That's for sure. Well, India Pale Ale, let's see if it is in the, should be 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little bit warm. It's been out of the fridge. I've done some more tastings and it takes a while. But anyways, that just means that the flavors should be even more emphatic. Well, looks like an IPA. It looks like an American IPA for sure, for sure. Let's see if it tastes like one. Cheers. You'll notice I took 2 sips, yeah. My taste buds, when you get to be my age, they're lazy. They're napping most of the time. So they have to be woke. Well, I just woke them all right. This is a lush, full-bodied buxom beer. This has got some body to it for sure. As far as the mangoes and the dankness, I'm getting more of the dank in the aromatics. That's for sure. Kind of a funky, kind of a musty, moldy type of a thing, but not offensive. I mean, it's kind of a, like when you go into your grandparents' house, that type of thing. But a lot fresher. All right, well, let's see what the taste buds think about that. This is one of the milder Imperial IPAs that I've ever had. It's not a kick you in the head, but it is definitely emphatic. I mean, it's there. I mean, it's a 250 maybe pound bouncer at a nightclub. That's what that is. It's powerful. I'm not going to argue with that. So that is exactly what it says it is. It's a little sneaky. It's a little sneaky on the alcohol there because the lushness of it makes you think that, maybe this isn't as bad as you thought it was. But no, this could be. My stomach is starting to warm up right now. Yeah, this is a sneaky little beer. Well, did it meet expect? I was expecting a kick in the head. And it didn't deliver a kick in the head, but it certainly delivered a reminder of what it's supposed to be. So, did it meet expectations? Not quite, but it certainly is a tasty beer. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Thumbs up would be great, sharing would be even better, and a comment would be really appreciated. I am Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.